Hey, welcome guys!
Good morning, Jamie.
Good morning!
We're all set for the tour.
I'm so glad that you guys are here. Come, let's start. So these are some photos of my family, and this is some hidden storage space.
Oh hey, that's a really cool design.
I'm glad you like it. We wanted it to be a mix of modern and industrial. We just wanted it to be really warm and cozy. Come, let me show you to my kitchen.
I love what you've done with the place. I'm getting so excited.
I'm glad you like it. You know, this is my kitchen, and it's where I was just getting a cup of coffee. Here, I have some.
Oh, thanks. It's so nice of you.
You're welcome.
Smells delicious.
I know, I need to have it every morning.
Ugh, me too.
So this is my bedroom, and this is my dresser. Here are the lights.
Wait, is that hair dye?
Oh yes, you know, I just did my hair last night. Can you believe it took me only 30 minutes?
With that color? Just 30 minutes?
Yeah, I've been busy lately. You know, I did this right after my son slept last night. Liese's foam color is really easy to use. Just massage in and it's done.
Wow, no fuss at all.
Yeah, you know, you should really try it sometime. I heard it's really good for covering grey hair too. Come, let me show you someone very special.
Ooh, exciting. Who could that be?
Everybody say hi to Jonah! Everybody calls him Jojo.
Hi, Jojo. Boop, boop.
Yeah, this little one just turned 1 not too long ago.
Oh, he's so adorable.
Mwah. Yeah, it's almost time for his nap, so let's go out. I'll see you later, baby.
Oh, right. Let's see what you have next.
So this is our dining space. It is where we have our dinners as a family. It's where we host our friends. It's also where I work at night.
Wow, it's a wonderful space to unwind and come home to. Hey, how does it feel to be your own boss?
Well, it's a constant learning journey, you know, and it's a tough journey sometimes, but you know, I'm really thankful for an amazing team and a wonderful family that I can really count on. So yeah, I'm really thankful.
That's really sweet. One last question?
Yeah, sure, go for it.
What are your hopes for the future?
Well, as a mom, you know, I really want the best for Jonah. I want him to grow up happy and healthy. As for the Paper Bunny, you know, we just want to continue to fulfill its purpose of creating products that will just inspire and impact real people everywhere.
That is so inspiring. We certainly wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Well, it's been great exploring your beautiful place. Thanks for showing us around.
I'm so glad that you guys came over. It's good to have you.
Maybe the next time we're back, we'll be interviewing Jojo instead.
Well, I look forward to that.
Thank you so much for having us today. Take care and see you soon.
Take care, see you, bye.